You can stop it now for a second. All right, folks, so your problem is you're doing your throttle, nothing's happening. Craftsman, Troy-Bilt, Cub Cadet, all made by MTD. A lot of these newer model ones have this plastic control that'll quit working. It's plastic. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I got some tips and tricks up my sleeve. Y'all stick around. All right, folks, here's what we got. We're gonna look under the seat. First thing you're gonna do is look for this tag, get your model number and your date of manufacturer. You shouldn't need your serial number on this. You're gonna need that to look up the correct cable for your machine. 1, 2, 3 screws, 5/16 or 8mm. Just back these 3 out, and this whole assembly will pop right out. Now, what I've got to show you, folks, when you go to order this, some of these cables are different lengths. There you're going to find that some are on back order. 9 times out of 10, your cable is going to be fine. Just pick one and order it. This is what's messed up. And I'm going to show you how to swap this out without doing the cable. Okay, so now we got our screws out. What we're going to do, you see there's a tab here, and you're just going to work these tabs and try to push and get them clipped so we can get this assembly out of this metal frame. Just like that. And now that we've got that assembly out, we got to get this apart. Y'all stick around. Now under this, you'll see there's a plastic clip and this thing just snaps together. I'm going to take a screwdriver, just do a little poppy pop there. See it spreading. I'm going to hold it with my finger and just do a little pop. It should come on apart. It may fight you a little bit. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. See, that cable is fine. What has happened right there, see how that hole is all boogered up? I don't know how they expected that to last. So all we're going to do is replace the plastic piece, not the cable. Now with this laying here, this cable just lifts off, okay? Really simple, folks, really simple. And you'll remember where the clip was, that's where it come out of. So let's remember that. Can y'all remember that? Hope so. So, do the same thing here. Pop this little clip, like this right here. Snap this bad boy apart. Maybe. Probably throw it on the ground. But anyway, I'm going to do the same thing. Just take this one apart, and we're going to put it in the new one. Stick around. Alright, so when I was taking it apart, I broke that little clip right there off of the new one. So, and you can see that one's already cracked. Now I was going to use this piece, but the tab on here is a different size than this one. So, what I'm going to do, we're going to use this new one. I'm just going to take an E6000 and put in that hole right there, and that will hold this thing just fine. When I snap it back together, it ain't coming apart. Matter of fact, I tell you what, let's do this too. I'm going to put a little dab on that tab there also, just a tiny bit. Now, we'll set this right here. Then we're going to take our control, pull our cable up. I know y'all can hear that thunder in the background. It is hammering rain out there. We're probably going to lose power in the middle of this little clip here. All right, slide that cable back in. Hold it with your hand, and then do your best to get the E6000 all over your fingers, and that way you can get everything sticky at one time. Set this right there, that right there, and it should just snap back together, just like that. Nice and simple. All right, we've got this plastic junk, or something else you can do. Get you one of these. The part number from Rotary is 03-228. Rotary, generally you just use the 228 number. But or any cable assembly, you can order them about anywhere with a long enough cable. This one in particular, I think has got like over a 5-foot long cable on it. Then you can cut it and adjust it if you need that. But you can just take this, since this plate right here is metal, this plate's metal, you can just put this on and screw it right in there with some self-tappers, and screw that in there, then you won't have plastic junk. Yes, you're going to have a bigger hole here, but you know what? It's a lawnmower. Who cares?
Does it come with a knob?
Yes, comes with a knob right there. And once you put it in, you just bop the knob. Okay, all we need to do now, pop that back in, put our 3 screws in. We should be working just fine now. Well, at least until it rips the plastic open again, or use my trick. Put one of these in. It won't break anymore. Well, we appreciate you tuning back into Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. Hope this little trick helped you out. If you don't want to put this plastic back in there, try that other part. Y'all please click that subscribe button, share these videos with your friends, and give us one of them thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Stop. You can stop it now for a second. Folks, over there is where we were just filming. I cut the lights off on that side of the shop. This storm is so bad, it has flooded our shop. It's coming in through this door over here from our other buildings, flooding in here. I don't want to make you dizzy. But if you look in here behind my desk, you can see it coming in from the other buildings back there. Yep, there's old Tomb Raider, but look. All the colors of the rainbow right after that storm. Pretty awesome. Yep, got a dead pine tree back there.